Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. I'm here again with another very good opportunity for you guys to participate in. So I'll urge you to be fast about it. It's just a crypto arbitrage, not about card actually, from one exchange to the other. So I'll show you how to go about this right now. But before I continue, if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification button so that you can always receive a notification once I post new videos. So let's start this way. The first thing I want to show you something. Go to your Binance wallet. Let's go to Binance wallet. As you can see right here, this is XLM. This is the current price of XLM on Binance, which is 0.1056. Let's assume we want to buy $100 worth of XLM. You can see that's 100 BUSD. You're getting 946. So I'm taking you to this exchange right here, XMO. You can see on XMO 946 SLM. Let's see what it costs. 946. You can see it's 110. So there is 10% difference between this exchange and Binance exchange. So that means once you buy $1,000 from Binance, if you buy $1,000 from Binance, you can come here and sell at 1,100. If you buy 2,000, you can sell at 2,200 here. So you can see how the difference is. So it's up to you to now go and register this on this exchange. Once you register, you verify, then you can do the transaction. So I believe this will go a long way to help for those who really will take this advantage. It might not stay long. The difference might not be for long. So the earlier you get this video, that's why I always urge you guys to turn on notifications so that you can always see videos once I drop them immediately. So this is it. As you can see, it's not as if you can see this is 946. It's not as if I typed the amount 946, and here this is 946, which is 100. You can see it's 99.8 this and that here. Meanwhile here it's 110. So imagine you are selling now. If we switch to sell, which is 946, so you can see the 946 is 109.9. That's roughly 10% difference. So once you buy on Binance, you just withdraw from Binance and deposit on this exchange. Once you deposit, it's just like every other token you do on every exchange, where you can deposit, you can buy, you can sell. You look for XLM here. This is XLM. You just click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, I'm here to verify my account. So you see it says verify now. So once I verify, the deposit will be enabled for me, which I will be doing immediately right now as well. So once I verify, I'll copy the deposit address, then pick the deposit address, take it to Binance, withdraw XLM from Binance, send to this particular place. Then I will sell here. Once I sell, I'll send my money back to Binance, buy again from Binance, move back to this exchange, then sell again. In the video description section, I will show you. I will drop the referral link so that everybody can click on the referral link, so that it will enable you download the application. So even if you don't, so that you don't download a fake one and you end up get scammed. So I'll just show you the referral link right now. This is where the referral link will be. For those who don't know how to check video description section, let me show you. Let me go to YouTube. This is my YouTube app. Anytime you see a video and you ask, these are my videos here. Once you click on the video, this is the video right here. So the next thing that should come to your mind, you click here. Click on that right. So once you click on it, so as you can see, this is the description here, where you can see all these. Where you can see do not forget to subscribe and the rest. That's where you see video description section. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you later.
Alright, please, someone is not playing Call of Duty. Please, the number.